you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile.
Ang pag-aasawa ay tinatag mismo ng ating Panginoon Diyos. Ito ay pinatutunayan sa mga pahayag ng Biblia sa Genesis na ganito ang sinasabi. At sinabi ng Panginoon Diyos, hindi mabuti na ang lalaki ay mag-isa. Siya ay ilalalangko ng isang
How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there's an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had.
Sa kasaganaan at sa kahirapan, sa katuwaan at sa kalungkutan, sa kalusugan at sa karamdaman, hanggang sa papaghiwalayin tayo ng kamatayan.
Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your arthritis is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get your medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my coat when you are cold. Need you, feed you, even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink, put you to bed when you've had too much to drink. Oh, I could be the man
Pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.